Hello, this is Steve Shaw, and this is an end of the day dirty flip cup. I've been using a lot of black and gold today, but much earlier in the day I'd been using a lot of blues. And I just poured all of my paint together in a 10-ounce cup. I have a 10 by 10 inch canvas. I had a little bit of gold glitter that I meant to pour in there, but a boatload of it fell in there instead of just a little bit. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to do a dirty flip cup. This might just be the best pour of the day. Oh, there was silicone in some of this black. There's some white. Again, end of the day flip cup is just kind of everything that's left over. So let's see what happens. Wow, really heavy on the black right now. Really heavy on the black right now. Not okay, we're getting a few more things starting to come through a little bit. All right, super dark. Holy cow. That's all right. There is really not much to talk about there. I can see a little bit of a blue, dark blue in this black. I'm just gonna roll it around on the canvas here. This is wonky looking, very strange. I don't see any, there is a ton of that glitter that went in there too, and I don't see one fleck of it right now. All right, we'll get good coverage here. Down to that corner. All right, I'm gonna take a moment. Ooh, some blue is cutting through. I'm gonna take a moment and tap my edges. Oh man, lots of paint on here dripping off. All right, and we got this going. Yeah, it doesn't look like much right now. Not gonna lie to you, doesn't look too impressive. So yeah, let's see what happens if I hit it with a torch. Man, I hope something magic happens, because this is definitely a pour over canvas right now. All right, remember, if you're going to use a torch, make sure it's clear around the edges so you don't set anything on fire. And I like to use a big torch. Hey, a little bit of gold just peeked through there. Come on, give me something to work with. All right, little bit of gold. Wow, this thing is crazy dark. Few more colors are coming through. You can see it's kind of poking some color through there. Wow. Talk about your dark and mysterious. This is it. This thing is smoking. I gotta be careful here. I don't want to burn my canvas. I haven't done that yet, but doesn't mean today is not the day. Okay, I'll take a little look in there. All right. Not much going on there. I may save it just because it's really interesting. Dark. Somebody might like that. I'm going to try to stretch out this lighter area up here a little bit, see if it'll come back down into the painting. This may be one that sits for a while and some other things just kind of pop up, but geez, that's dark. All right, I appreciate you watching, and if you like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And most of my paintings are going to be for sale at my Etsy store. Just search for Steve Shaw at Etsy.com. Thank you much. Bye.